Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to increase Telegram download speed and how to fix Telegram slow speed. Now, sometimes it happens that Telegram has a lot of traffic coming in and your download speed will be slow, not because of you, but because of Telegram. Now, how can you, or what is the alternative and what can you do to actually fix this problem? Now, there is actually no workaround to fix this problem directly. However, you can use an app on Telegram that is called this Get Public Link Bot. Now, let me explain. So you can use this bot to basically download any type of Telegram file and send any type of Telegram file. Now, as you can see, you can just search for Get Public Link Bot. And what you can do is you can press start. And from here, you can send the file you want to download faster. Now you can send the file, and as you can see, you will be able to basically go and wait for reply. Once you wait for reply, you will have an instant download link or resumable link that you can send to someone else on Telegram. Now this will basically, these are three options available. You have instant download, which simply gives you a link to download the file via external browser. And then you have resumable link. Here you get an external link which can be downloaded via external browser and is resumable, which is recommended. And then you can also save to Google Drive or Dropbox. Here you get an option to save your file in a personal Google Drive. So that's basically what you can use to increase Telegram download speed. If Telegram is bugging out and if it's if you have issues, then this is the bot that you want to go for. Now, as you can see here on Reddit, I just saw that a lot of people have this unbearably slow issue with downloading on Telegram. So as you can see, premium user here, it has more to do with overall traffic, not just yours. Sometimes it is incredibly fast as uploads and downloads, and some other times it's just on the edge, even knowing premium users have priority, as you can see. So obviously, if you can go for premium. However, that's just an add-on if you want to do it. But this is basically the fastest way that I noticed to basically go and increase download speed on Telegram. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next video.